Hello and welcome to a very special episode of Practical Welding Television. I'm your host, Amanda Carlson. We're here at McCormick Place in Chicago for the FABTECH International and AWS Welding Show, including Metal Form. If you were at the show, stay tuned because there may be a few things that you missed as you browse through the halls. If you weren't, no worries, because we're going to go around to a different welding equipment manufacturers and show you the latest welding products and technology that they're offering here at the show. So stay tuned because we've got a lot of ground to cover and we gotta get started.
Well, my name's Jim Harris. I'm the product manager for our TIG inverter welders and welding guns. This is our new Panther push-pull gun market that we just introduced into the market in September. This features a drive motor inside the gun, which is synchronized with the drive motor in the power source. What that does is it allows you to feed soft aluminum wire with good feedability, very reliable for long distances. What's unique about this gun, this is the only gun in the market that features drive rolls which have dual-driven drive rolls that you can see there's actually gears down in there. That's going to give you better feeding force without having to crank down on the tension and crush the wire. We have some patented features on these contact tips. The thread profile is going to minimize seizing in the tip. Also, the increased copper mass of the tip is going to be cooler. We've had some customers that have seen 5 times the consumable life with this tip when welding on aluminum because of the heat that's generated. You've got the best of both worlds in terms of feed performance and arc performance coupled with the power source wire feeder. So it really provides a complete solution for the customer that's trying to do aluminum welding.
I'm Matthew Wallace, president of VRSIM. This is the latest version of the Lincoln Electric virtual welding simulator, a Vertex 360. It's designed to be the state-of-the-art of welding training simulation, utilizing all the elements of virtual reality combined with some brilliant expertise on the welding side to teach people how to weld faster.
Hi, my name is Erin, and I'm the product manager for the Vertex 360 at Lincoln Electric. And some of the feedback we've been getting is that it's a really new and exciting tool that can be used to help train students more effectively. The idea behind it being that students can practice their simulation or practice their welding technique in a simulated environment, which reduces material waste and reduces energy use during traditional welding training.
My name is Jamy Bulan. I'm the product manager for commercial equipment at Lincoln Electric, and this is our new line of Viking welding helmets. We tried to step up our graphics this year, and I think we've done a great job of doing that with the Slow Rider helmet here. This is kind of the LA Pimp My Ride, the bouncing card with the hydraulics, with the orange, the heart, and the spade, and the green pinstriping. Red Rod is a classic Lincoln helmet with the candy apple red and the yellow flames. The Cruisin' Sticks is a new helmet for us. Sticks is the name of the skeleton character. We're to come out with 2 or 3 different designs, a Cruisin' Sticks, a Crazy Sticks helmet, with Sticks doing different things in the welding industry. And then this is our Chip Foose Hemisphere helmet, which was designed by Chip Foose, and he designed the Hemisphere car, and the color scheme is based on his new car. And this is our standard heavy metal helmet, which is done very well in the marketplace as well. So a lot of questions on the graphics, and there seems to be a graphic for everybody.
My name is Snyder. I'm our senior product manager for engine-driven welders, and I'm going to speak to you today about the new Outback 185. It is in a rugged tube frame that is a little bigger than is typical within the industry. And as part of this tube frame design, if you look down here, you'll see something called a low lift grab bar. And we actually have applied for a patent on this particular feature because we've learned from our customers that they typically want to lift a product like this on and off of pickup trucks. And when they're doing the lifting, having a low bar like this gives them extra leverage to make the lifting easier. This has an engine on it, a Kohler engine. It is electric start. And again, what is different about this product, and I think makes it somewhat unique, is that the key engine controls, that is the choke control and the start switch, are on the control panel. It's on the front of the machine rather than some other location such as the back of the machine where it's often found. So on our design, it's on the front so you can easily get at it even when this is on a pickup truck.
My name's Derek Baker and I work for 3M Speed Glass. And what I'm here to do today is just go over some of our new welding helmets. They are the Speed Glass 100. They've got all new graphics, which is new for Speed Glass. They've been out in the market for a while, but this is a new program for us. It's a mid-level entry product that is in the price range of about $200. So again, what's different from some of these over some of the other brands is they've got a full wrap, and the graphics have been carefully selected to hit a lot of different. Speed Glass 9100, and this is our premium level welding helmets. Some of the unique features about this is the patented exhaust vents that actually reduce heat, humidity, and fog buildup on the inside of the welding helmet. Also an all-new revolutionary headgear that was specifically designed around the ergonomics of the head to reduce pressure points and increase comfort. A few other unique features are the side windows to allow users to see out the side in high traffic areas such as fork trucks, utility vehicles running around. Just an increased safety benefit with this welding helmet. Also, we've got extended coverage pieces that build right into the helmet to allow the user to be further protected from spark and spatter on their sensitive skin areas. Okay, so in addition to a lot of our welding helmet products, we do offer a lot of other safety, which full range of eyewear for different applications. Specifically for welding, we've got minimizers. These actually help reduce the UV, of course, up to 99%, but also there's a special gold tint on the on these lenses that help reduce the IR that comes off as well. So these are great for individuals that may be walking around on the shop floor, getting some stray arcs coming across to help produce some protection for their eyes.
Today we're showcasing our Cubitron 2 fiber discs. They last longer, are cut faster, and are easier to use than competitive fiber discs. Our lab has somehow found a way to turn standard rocks into perfect triangles. So these perfect triangles are actually sitting straight up on our Made in America discs. We have a new plant in Alexandria, Minnesota. And basically, if you care about labor savings, productivity, throughput, this is the way to go.
My name is Paco Perez. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing for MK Products. A new product this year is our Cobramatic Pro Series wire feeder. It's actually a repackaged, redesigned, sort of upgraded version of our Cobramatic cabinet that we've had for years and years and years. Some of the new features we're offering is a front panel digital display. And that display will change as we change the speed control potentiometer on the gun. So it'll show you basically the wire feed speed in inches per minute. And as you're welding, it will change to the welding arc voltage as you go along. A couple other features we introduced there is also a wire inch so that we can feed our wire up, and then there's also a gas purge. Standard features are the trigger latch in normal position, or pause to start, which is a patented feature from the early 70s. And basic on off, and then our wire size selector switch. It's an all plastic chassis, plastic door, smaller design for ship portholes and smaller access, more confined spaces. And then a new gun to sort of go with this particular model is our Euro style gun that's been popularized worldwide as far as its connectability. And so we've kind of capitalized on that with our standard control cable connection.
Yeah, my name is Bob Ellig. I'm with BLUCO Corporation. We're in Aurora, Illinois, and we are primarily involved in modular fixturing for welding. What we have here today at the show is an example of a fixture that can be used in a robotic setup. We've got a beam that can be adjusted up and down to take care of the problems of center of gravity. It's actually joined the words short run and robot in the same sentence, because typically robots are designed for heavy duty, high volume production. Here with modular fixturing, we can do short runs. The system is designed for parts as small as a telephone, large as a rail car, primarily for prototypes, short runs, repair parts, production in a limited volume. Because I have one customer in Iowa that had 5,000 obsolete fixtures stored out in the yard behind his plant. He bought 2 of our tables and scrapped out 4,500 fixtures because he found he could make a fixture with our componentry faster than he could go out in the yard and find the old stuff.
With over 1,000 exhibitors here at FABTECH this year, it was impossible to see everybody, but we hope that you got a better understanding of what was available here. If you have any questions, please visit us on our website, which is www.thefabricator.com/FABTECH. On behalf of Mike and Larry and all of us here at Practical Welding Television, we just want to thank you for tuning in this year, and we hope to see you in 2010. Have a great holiday season, and we'll be back in 2010. Thanks. See you next time.